like a crunchy granola-y type AIP friendly porridge. So I've got some coconut butter in the pan, just gonna fry these apples off a little bit. I'm gonna add some cinnamon to it. I've got some coconut milk, some coconut flour, a banana, some chopped up dates, or you could have any dried fruit. I'm going to top it with some coconut sugar, and we've got some tiger nuts roasting in there as well, just for some added crunch. So let's see how this pans out. If it gets a little bit dry, then just add a little bit of water to it, and then that should be fine. So the tiger nuts were roasted in the oven for approximately about 3 minutes, just until you see them just going a little bit, you know, browner than what they were in the packet. And that's it, that's all it needs, just a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to make a creamy topping to cover over my banana, my apple, my tiger nuts, and then I'm going to top it with dates. So I'm literally just making this up as I go along, just so I get the right consistency. So all I've added at the moment is 1 tablespoon of coconut flour and a bit of coconut milk. So I'll probably add a bit more milk to that in a minute and just see how it goes. My chopped apple, which was coated in cinnamon and coconut butter, and I've added my banana in there. Now to add my creamy milk and my toppings. So now that's added in, all that's left to do is to put on the toppings. And there we have it, a breakfast alternative to porridge and cereal, done in 10 minutes. Oh, this is so nice. This actually feels like a treat. Just making my way through it. It's just a nice little treat to have every now and again, because really when you're on the AIP diet, it's best to like balance your meals out. So the standard rule is to have half a plate of leafy greens, a quarter of starchy veg like carrots, parsnips and sweet potato, and a quarter protein. But something like this for breakfast is just a great alternative to have on the AIP diet. It didn't take long at all, literally just took 10 minutes, and it's just a great alternative for a porridge. So yeah, that's given me the thumbs up for all those ingredients. It's really, really nice, and it's filling as well. So yeah, it's definitely worth trying.